we just started providing meals throughout the entire city. You guys are ready to go back, just go ahead. So we've all been here since 4 a.m. We just finished our lunch service, right? So we served 350 meals, corned beef, cabbage, and potatoes. We're live in the Franciscan Center kitchen. My name is Chef Steve, and this is my team.
We are very proud to be a soup kitchen. We are nearly 52 years old. Every day we serve meals from 400 to 500 people a day. Our social work team is met with over 8,000 individuals last year. We help people with evictions, energy assistance, pharmacy needs, vision needs, bus transportation needs. We have a library, we have a barber shop, we have clothing that we give out, computer lab. So we do everything we can under one roof so that it's easier for our clients that we can help them as much as we can in one place. Today, the team here, Chef Steve and the kitchen team, another outstanding day. We were able to provide 352 lunches here at the center, while we also provided 400 lunches to Matthew Henson Neighborhood Association.
Can you imagine cooking 350 plus meals and then turn around cooking another 400 meals for your community? That's amazing.
It's amazing how something like food can brighten up people's day, but we all know what food can do. And now the team is not done. They're prepping and getting ready for dinner.
Everything is to go. Nobody's staying in-house. So we have containers we set up. We're gonna fill them up with our food, and we're gonna do the grab and goes. And then when we run out of the hot food, we're gonna serve sandwiches. We feed a village, man. We do what we gotta do to make it work. We got enough mayo? Mayo what? Mustard? What else? Can we use that spicy Creole mustard or no? It's too much. We have celery seed? What are you gonna, you need a little vinegar. You need vinegar.
Oh yeah, vinegar.
So I don't like my sauce soaking sloppy wet.
Right.
I don't think it's good that way. So make it in a bowl and then put it together. All right? I want the tables and the tents no later than 8:30. So let's start working in the kitchen then. I went to Jeff and said, listen, even in prison, you get a hot meal every 3 days. I said, we have to go back to cooking. I always cooked, and then in 2007, I moved to the Eastern Shore, Maryland, and I suffer from the disease of addiction. So I drank, I did drugs, and I got involved in a domestic situation where I assaulted my partner, and I ended up subsequently going to prison. I was sentenced to 10 years. So I would cook football weekends. I do all the cooking in a microwave. Believe it or not, we cooked using a foot basin with a plastic hanger. We used the top of tin cans to cut summer sausage, pickles, and so forth. And I watched Maryland Public Television. Who did I watch? I watched every chef I could think of, from Emeril Lagasse to John Bash to Rick Bayless, Julia Childs, Jacques Pippin. Whatever was on Saturdays and Sundays on MPT, I was in front of the television watching. And then I said, you know what? When I get out of prison, I'm going to go to school. I'm going to cook. I get released. I move into a halfway house in Baltimore. And then within 30 days, I was enrolled at Stratford University, culinary school. I graduated magna twice. I went to work at any place I could to get my skills up. This May 29th, I celebrated 13 years of total and complete abstinence from alcohol and drugs, which is a miracle. Ultimately, I got the job here at the Franciscan Center last October. It's been a ride ever since. All these things that I've went through, I needed to go through to get to where I am now. That's how I ended up here at the Franciscan Center. I work sometimes a 16, 18-hour day, and then come back the next morning and start all over again. The center used to serve casseroles a lot and do a lot of reheating. I've turned this kitchen into what we call a scratch kitchen. We make everything from scratch. Leading a team like this has been probably one of the greatest gifts I've ever had. Slam it in there, Brenda. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Listen, who thought having a barbecue would be so much work? This was supposed to be easy, Keisha. Okay, how much more of these you got it set up? 2 more? Okay, once you set those 2 up, so then just come out there, you two, everyone out front. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we got. This is coleslaw. We'll let them in. People line up, coming around there. What time is it? Anybody got the time? There's a reason why we work 16 hours a day. It's because we know these folks have to be fed. Sometimes they just keep coming. I pray over my tilt skillet. Please let me not run out of food. Good morning, everybody. We're trying to do a little barbecue for y'all. So somebody tell me something good. All right, plates. Come on, I got plates up. Let's go. Someone start bringing plates. Get these people fed. I remember what it was like being out there, having no hope, no faith, being left to my own devices. I see that in a lot of the eyes of the people I serve every day. We make it a point to be here for them, to feed them. You're welcome. Thank you for coming. How you doing? You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for being here. MPT, I mean, you guys have been with me since 2008. And because of what you guys have done, the avenue for me to become an executive chef or a culinary director here at the Franciscan Center, I mean, the idea was there, but you really manifested the idea. Wow, you're going to learn to cook. Now you learn how to feed people. Now you're feeding the masses. It started with MPT in prison. Just being able to watch, to try to make, and then wow, look, I'm here now. And I made it to MPT.
This video raises questions, and I need for you to be extremely honest in the comments when answering them. And just so you know, I have 3 questions. Number 1, would you love to do something like this for your community? Number 2, who do you want me to do a video on next? And number 3, what are your thoughts about this video? Please share them in the comments. Please be honest when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.